In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Canva on Squarespace, full 2024 guide. By the end, you'll have your Canva design embedded on your Squarespace site, looking clean and updating automatically when you make changes in Canva. First, open your finished design in Canva. Make sure it's exactly the design you want to show on your site, because the embed will mirror what you see here. In the top right, click the Share button. In the Share panel, look for the option to embed. If you don't see it immediately, use the search within the panel or scroll through the available options until you find Embed. Select Embed, and Canva will generate an embed code for you. Click Copy to copy that code to your clipboard. That's the snippet we'll place into Squarespace. Now switch over to Squarespace and open the page where you want the Canva design to appear. In the page editor, click Add Block where you want the embed to sit. From the block picker, choose Embed. This opens the embed block settings. By default, Squarespace may be set to accept a link, but for Canva, you'll want to switch to the code option. Look for the setting labeled Code Snippet and select it. Then open the Embed Data area so you can paste your code. Click into the field, paste the entire embed code you copied from Canva, and confirm that it's all there. Use the back button to return to the block's main settings. If your design supports it and you want to add context, you can type in a title or short description so visitors know what they're looking at. When you're ready, click Embed to apply the code to the block. You should see a preview of your Canva design load right in the editor. If it doesn't load immediately, give it a moment or toggle out and back into the editor. Sometimes it takes a second for the preview to render. Finish up by clicking Save on the page to publish your changes. That's it. Your Canva design is now live on your Squarespace site. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. The embed is responsive, so it should adjust to different screen sizes automatically. If the design looks cramped, try placing the embed in a full-width section or reducing surrounding padding. If your site uses content protection or strict security settings, ensure custom embeds are allowed on that page. And remember, when you update the design in Canva and keep the same design link, those updates will reflect on your site without re-embedding. You've successfully added Canva to Squarespace the right way.